Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken salad with Greek yogurt. This delicious and healthy twist elevates a classic dish. Using Greek yogurt instead of mayonnaise cuts down on unhealthy fats and adds a wonderful tang. You'll get a creamy texture and a boost of protein, making it a satisfying meal. It's a simple swap that makes a big difference in both flavor and nutritional value, perfect for a light lunch or dinner. To create this amazing chicken salad, you'll need a few key ingredients. Start with about 2 cups of cooked chicken, either shredded or diced. Then, grab 1/2 cup of plain, non-fat Greek yogurt, which is our star ingredient. For a delightful crunch, add 1/4 cup of finely diced celery. Fresh herbs like 2 tablespoons of chopped dill or parsley will brighten the flavors. Finally, season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. Preparing your Greek yogurt chicken salad is incredibly easy. First, in a medium-sized bowl, combine your cooked, shredded chicken with the finely diced celery. Next, add the plain Greek yogurt and your chosen fresh herbs like dill or parsley. Gently mix everything together until all the ingredients are thoroughly combined and the chicken is evenly coated. Season with salt and freshly ground black pepper, then taste and adjust the seasonings. For best flavor, chill the salad for at least 30 minutes before serving. Now that your delicious Greek yogurt chicken salad is ready, it's time to enjoy it. This versatile salad is fantastic served on toasted whole wheat bread for a classic sandwich, or in crisp lettuce cups for a lighter option. It also makes a great dip with crackers or fresh vegetable sticks. For an extra touch, try adding 1/4 cup of chopped grapes or walnuts for sweetness and texture. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Enjoy your healthy and flavorful creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.